Heidelux Leather Restoration Cream claims it can permanently restore worn leather, erase scratches, and bring old seats, bags, and furniture back to life. But when a single cream promises professional-level leather repair for under a minute of effort, that's when questions start to matter. Today we're breaking down what Heidelux really does, what it can't do, and whether this product is legit or just another overhyped leather fix you should think twice about. Heidelux Leather Restoration Cream is marketed as a conditioning and restoration product designed for smooth, genuine leather. According to the website, it uses natural oils and waxes such as shea butter and beeswax to improve the appearance of worn leather surfaces. The product is positioned as a simple wipe-on solution that can reduce the look of scuffs, scratches, and dryness. Based on its ingredient profile, this type of cream is best described as a cosmetic leather conditioner. It may improve softness and appearance, but it is not professional leather repair, and it cannot rebuild damaged leather. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags. One of the biggest concerns is the way Heidelux describes its results. The website claims the cream permanently restores leather and fixes damage for good. This is where reality and marketing separate. Leather is an organic material that naturally breaks down over time due to friction, sunlight exposure, moisture loss, and everyday use. No topical cream can permanently reverse deep cracks, structural damage, or worn leather fibers. While conditioners can temporarily improve appearance, describing the results as permanent is misleading and not scientifically realistic. Another issue is the claim that Heidelux restores leather from within. This wording sounds impressive, but it creates a false impression. Oils and waxes can soak slightly into leather and make it look darker or healthier, but they cannot rebuild collagen fibers or regenerate worn material. This type of language suggests true restoration, when in reality the product offers surface-level improvement only. The before and after images on the website raise additional concerns. When these images were reverse searched, identical photos appeared on multiple unrelated websites selling different leather products, which strongly suggests the images were copied rather than coming from real Heidelux customers, which raises questions about authenticity and transparency. Finally, pricing raises another red flag. Very similar leather creams can be found on wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba for just a few dollars, while Heidelux is sold for close to $40. This suggests a drop shipping model, where inexpensive products are rebranded and resold at a large markup. So, what's the conclusion? Heidelux Leather Restoration Cream may work as a basic leather conditioner, but it raises several serious concerns. It may not be a complete scam, but the exaggerated claims, reused images, missing business transparency, and steep price increase mean buyers should proceed with caution and do their research before purchasing.